Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing an unboxing of my not polished mystery box. I did the $59 box, and I believe it was for $200 worth of product. And I bought a few. I think I bought 2 acrylics. I can't remember. So what we're gonna do now is just get this tape off of here. And see all the great stuff that I got, because I've seen everybody's open their box, but they got the $100 box. And I got the $59 box. Let's see what's in it. Let's see what the difference is. Okay. Got the order number. Mystery pack medium, that's what I got. So yeah. I did get these nude Panthers, so I did buy these separately from the giveaway box, the mystery box. So yes. This is the 2-in-1. I love these. They're great cover polishes. So boom, let's pull this one out. It's a box inside a box. Got that one out the way. Let's get this one open. Let's see. Get it open. Mystery pack. Well, I don't know. There's some safe shipping they were doing. Keep everything from rolling around, but I guess that's good. So mystery pack. Okay. All right. So, ooh, feels like liquid. Feels like liquid. Let's see what it is. I got everything packaged so tight. And I don't have regular scissors here at the salon. Oh my God, I got some of their liquid monomer. This is a nice size bottle of liquid monomer. I have a 32 ounce. I've never used their monomer before, so I can't wait to do a review on that along with their acrylics that they sent me. So I got another 2-in-1 natural. This is called Ruby Sand. It's really pretty. I think they have seals on there. Yep, they have seals on there. I couldn't remember. But yes, this is super cute. It has glitter in it. Then I have another one, a Dip It powder, and it's in the color Orchid. And then I got another one, Dip It, and it's in the color 64. Okay. I got some nail stickers. So I got the leaves. I think I've seen a lot of people with these in their boxes, their $100 boxes. I got some designer. These are like New Balance. And I got some random ones. These are cute. I can use that for something. And got some other designers, some Gucci, Prada. All right. I got 2 nail files, 100 grit. And let's see what this is. Oh, I got a polish. I got a gel polish. I got a duo pack. Let's see what color. Let's see this. Oh, Bombshell. Duh, look at the label on the top. So I have a regular polish and Bombshell and a gel polish, and I've never used their gel polishes either. So I can't wait to use that. Perfect for this time of year. And then I have their Triple X Bond, and I have not used their primer either. So I'm excited to use that. And then I got one of their Super Diamond Gel Glue. So I can't wait to use this as well. I'm gonna have to do a video reviewing these products that I have never used. All right, so that is it. I got Monomer Gel Glue Primer, 2 big files, 200 grit. I got some stickers. I got this gel polish, and I got 1 2-in-1, and then I got 2 dip colors for the $59 box. But I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add it up and see if this was $200 worth of stuff. I think it was supposed to be $200 worth of stuff, but I don't know. But this could be, because I think these are like $20 each, because mine are. So if that's the case, then yeah. If these are $20 each. But yeah, I'm not mad at this mystery box. I'm not mad at all. All right.